Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover this amazing airdrop. This is Wormhole. I'm going to give you the step-by-step on how you can participate on this airdrop, and this is a very big project with 240 million funding recently. So we are going to do all the steps on how you can participate on this airdrop and also more information about Wormhole. This is a project on the level of LayerZero, but with many less users right now than LayerZero. So it's a very good moment for you to start farming this airdrop. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications. And without anything else, let's check this tutorial step by step for you. Hi crypto fans, well, Wormhole is an open source blockchain development platform connecting the decentralized web. Hundreds of companies and applications use Wormhole blockchain connectivity platform to securely and scalably grow their user base, increase market share, and drive more on-chain activity. It's a very similar project like LayerZero, so you can use it not only to bridge assets from one place to another, but also create over this platform. This is not a new project, and a little bit about of history that nobody tells you about Wormhole is that Wormhole suffered a very big hack on the past that almost made it disappear. So it was really difficult, but they came back, and everyone is talking about Wormhole now because they got 225 million in a new fundraise. So this is putting the project again into the view of the possible airdrop, into the view of global adoption, similar like LayerZero is doing. A couple of interesting points about Wormhole is that they have more than 200 apps using it, and with only 75,000 users versus the 3.2 million that LayerZero already have. So this is very important because many users are farming right now this, and this company has already a valuation of $2.5 billion, so it's very promising. We already consider it as an unicorn on the crypto space, the same again like LayerZero. So like we say, they are already raised a lot of money on the last weeks, and one of the main investors was Coinbase. Many other big names, but Coinbase is one of the big investors. And the whole token is confirmed, was already mentioned in the past, but the hack on this project was really bad, guys. So take that in consideration too. This is a project that is reviving from the ashes like a phoenix right now. And everyone is hyping because they got all this money to continue building and to continue expanding. With all the cautions that we have for this project, I think we can expect an airdrop of it. If LayerZero do an airdrop, they will be like forced to do an airdrop too to compete with them. And if LayerZero doesn't give any airdrop, then Wormhole is going to be one of the biggest opportunity to take out all the share market of users and the user base from LayerZero into their ecosystem. So I think for Wormhole it's very important to do this airdrop. Now let's go and check a little bit more about the project and start with the step by step. Our first step, like always, follow their social media and check their website. You will need that for further tasks. So here you have all the links, the official links. Always be careful with this. There is a lot of scam already around Wormhole because there are too much hype right now. So here you have the website, here you have the Twitter and the Discord, so follow them there and in Telegram. The website of Wormhole is very attractive, very well explained, so check everything here if you want to know more about how it works and especially about the ecosystem. Many things from these steps are from this page, the wormhole.com/ecosystem. Here you can check and filter more than 200 applications. After you're following their socials, we need to use the dapps and the ecosystem, gaming, DeFi, bridges, swaps, everything. Everything you will find it here on the ecosystem page, like I just mentioned. You filter or you choose the category that you want. You can just select the category here. For example, bridges, and you will see all the bridges that I am going to explain on this video. So check here all the applications that you can use. And if you want to make your life easier, then you have my subscriptions. I have a private Discord. We are already talking about Wormhole from a while, as soon as they got this big funding. So check my subscriptions. I have an application that is going to make you apply to this airdrop very easily and keep track of all your progress, all the apps that you use it and everything. So here you have a video on how my app works, and here you have also the subscriptions to my private Discord. We are killing it there. We have been getting many airdrop distributions on the last weeks and months. So check my subscriptions if you want to be a real airdrop hunter and make a lot of money. So from step 2, you are going to check everything, but my step 3 is we use one of the main bridges that we need to use, which is the portalbridge.com. So go there to the link. Portal Bridge is powered, of course, by Wormhole Crypto. So this is going to give you transactions already on that platform. So go in here, you will need to connect your wallet, and like always, you select your network, the asset amount, you connect your other wallet, or in case of MetaMask, it could be the same one, and you can bridge here. So you can see this says powered by Wormhole. So this is going to give you already transactions in the Wormhole ecosystem. So that is your first bridge. Moving forward, you can use another important bridge unknown from Wormhole, that is Allbridge. I covered this project in the past, it's very interesting. So my step 4 is go to core.allbridge.io, and again here you can see just connecting your wallet. You can connect 2 wallets and bridge some tokens from one place to another. And here I would recommend you just to put something in the liquidity pool for a while, then you can move it out just to interact a little bit more with the ecosystem. And now you can do some swaps, for example in app Hashflow. So go to the app of Hashflow, and again once you are connected here, you are in the exchange part, you can swap USDT with wrapped Ethereum or any other coin that you want here. Here I'm in the same chain, but of course you also have another chains if you want to move into other blockchains. So that will be also very interesting to do. And you have here the stake part if you want to stake something in Hashflow too. Moving to the step 6, you can use Carrier too. This is USDC.carrier.so. Very interesting project, and Carrier here you can see is powered by Wormhole Crypto and is built on Autonomous Network. So both networks are interacting here. You can go to the app, and also you can bridge tokens or even NFTs. So you can try to do it with NFTs. So you have another type of transaction, moving NFTs from one place to another. And step 7 for DeFi, Folk's application use Wormhole. So you can go here to the apps of Folk Finance, unleash the power of DeFi. So once you are here, go and launch the application. And here you can see you can use loans. First you need to deposit. So yeah, just use the DeFi ecosystem here on Folks. That will be also working for you. But yeah, basically all these steps you can go check the ecosystem and use the applications that are there. Be aware of applications that are scam. So try to stick to the ecosystem right now, at least that you have very good confirmations from another apps outside of that ecosystem page. And after that, you can go step 8, that is joining the Zealy and do tasks if you have time to do it. Normally, if the project doesn't specify that the airdrop is open and the Zealy tasks are going to be used, many projects don't consider the task of Zealy, but in this case, I think it's important for you. So step 8, go to the Zealy page, you have the link there. Here you can do many things. Not only follow with the socials like we already did in step 1, but also you can answer stuff about the project. You can test your knowledge of Wormhole, invite friends, and you have the daily connects too that you just enter there and you claim it. So it's really easy to do. And the step 9, and this is why I think it's important to do some Zealy stuff, is that there are daily missions in the Zealy that are mentioned in the Discord. So here you have a specific link on the Discord. So that makes me think that maybe the Zealy tasks are important for something in the future for Wormhole. But of course, there's no guarantees of that. So if you can, do some Zealy task. Step 10 is just information, so that is the Wormhole Scan, so you can put your address there and check your transactions, so you can keep a little of track. And step 11 is also information from the dashboard from Dune, where you can check some stuff about Wormhole. So you can see they have the information that was recently fundraising, and here you can see applications that use Wormhole in terms of transactions, and in the daily rank you can see Solana is one of the big ones. So check a little bit about all the information here on Dune. It's very useful if you want to make your airdrop farming strategy. So that is all, guys, for this video. Remember, this is going to be super easy for you if you just go and subscribe to my application. That way you will be having track of all these tasks and all these airdrops really easy, using a tool that is going to make your life easier if you are farming. And I think Wormhole is one of those that you can farm. So yeah, too many experts in my Discord, guys. You are going to be receiving free help for all that you need, all the doubts that you get. So yeah, my Discord is killing it. That will be all for this first coverage of Wormhole. I will be doing updates, of course, like many other airdrops that I do. And remember, before we leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.